Okay, this tutorial is going to show you how to download PDF files from Moodle. I'm currently using a Chrome web browser on a Mac laptop. If you're using different device or different browsers, this maybe some things that look a little bit different. So I've just navigated to the maths textbook page and I've gone to the very first one on the list just to use it for demonstration purposes. Here's a PDF file here. If I just click on that PDF file just once, it opens up within my web browser in the same tab as I was before, and I've lost sight of the web page. You'll notice up there I've only got one tab on show. So if I just click the back button, and if instead of just clicking it, I first of all hold down the command key, and if I hold down the command key, it opens up the PDF file, but this time it opens up in a brand new tab, and I can very quickly move between the two tabs which I have there. If you hold down the Alt key, it downloads it, and I now have an offline copy of this, and it's stored on my device, and I don't have to keep accessing it via Wi-Fi from Moodle. And again, just clicking on it will open up in a brand new tab. So if I just go back to the web page, at the top of the maths textbooks page there's a folder that says how to successfully download PDF files from Moodle, and if you go in there, there are detailed instructions for Android tablets, Chromebooks, iPads and Mac and PC laptops to go through the details of how to successfully download a PDF file, have an offline copy stored, and suggestions on how best to manage all these downloaded files you're going to be accessing throughout the year to come. So navigate to Maths Textbooks and read those instructions now and find the one that's appropriate for your device.